You are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be solving a question on isometric projection, and we have to draw the block shown. As you can see, all the dimensions have been clearly stated. The time between here and here is 75. The width is 50. From the center of this to this end is 25. From the center to this end is 25. So invariably, this cylinder that is resting on it is placed at the center, but 25 from this face, 25 from here, and 25 from here. Remember, this is 50, so 25 will be the center. Here too is 25 will be the center of this one. So, and the height of the cylinder is 50, while the diameter of the cylinder is 40. How do you do this? It's very easy. You can decide to start from the top, or you decide to start from the bottom. Anywhere you start from, you will get you will not be wrong. So I want to choose to start from the top. So the first thing to do is to draw my isometric square for this circle at the top. You know, I need to draw isometric square for this circle and isometric square for this semicircle at the bottom. So I have two isometric square to draw. So let's get started. So take this one this way and that way, so you can measure diameter. Remember, diameter of the circle will be the length of the square that you're going to construct for the cylinder. This is 40, 20 the midpoint. Same thing here. 20 the midpoint and 40. So make sure your T-square, the stock of your T-square is resting firmly on the side of your drawing board. Do this and this, and you rotate it to do the side here and here. So now we have our isometric square. We draw the longer diagonal. Remember, this circle at the top will be a complete circle, whereas the one at the bottom will be a semicircle. Take note that all my construction for now is in thin lines, because all these ones are just by the way, not the real objective of this drawing. The real objective is to draw the box, the block. So, and that is what I've just started. You notice that this is drawn in thick line. The outline of the cylinder is part of the question that I'm supposed to solve. Stay here now. So very careful. Like that. You go to the other side and do the same. That. Yeah, we have done the top. Now the next is to draw the height of the cylinder, which is 50. The height of the cylinder is now down and down. So along that you can measure your 50. One, two, three, four, 5. That's 50. So let's take it this way, bring it here, this way, and this one comes here. Okay, let's use this. That way. So we have the box at the bottom. If you like, you can transfer the midpoint. You can transfer it, this midpoint, transfer it here. Go to this other side, transfer the midpoint here. So you can now draw that like this, and like that. So we now have our isometric square at the bottom. You draw the longer diagonal like this, and you form your letter A, this, and this. So we can now connect. Remember, this one has only one side of the circle, so you stay on the head of A and join the leg, the two legs of A like this. Yeah. Now you go to the intersection of the leg of A and the longer diagonal. You put it on this side, and you let it get to the midpoint, because it is half, it's a semicircle. The same thing on this side. Stop at the midpoint. So that's it. So you can now complete it with, you notice that my arcs are drawn in thick lines. This vertical line too will be in thick line. It will be tangential to the ellipse. So that is that. We have drawn our cylinder. Now we are left to place the rectangular box at the base. Now the best way to go about it is to measure from the center of our cylinder. You know, this line, this dimension and this dimension are meeting at the center. So you have 25 here and 25 this way. So from this center, you measure 25 out. From this center, you measure 25 this way and 25, because this, if here to here is 25, then here to here is 25, because the total width is 50. So you measure 25 on both sides. Make sure you take your measurement from the center. Let's use this to take our measurement so it should be clear. This is 25. Here is 25. And 25 also to this other side. This is 25. Now outside too, it is 25. You measure 25. This is 25. So now we have measured from center to this place 25, from center to here 25, from here to this place 25. Similarly, we have measured from this edge to the center 25, from this edge to the center 25. So you can now construct a rectangle, a cuboid at the bottom. So take this one like this, put this one like this, and this other one, this is the point. Take it. Oh, sorry. Although it is drawn in thin line, because we don't need it beyond this point. So now we need to measure the height, the thickness or the height of the cuboid, which is 15. So measure 15. Let's use this. This is 15, and this width from here to here is 75. I say this is 75. Measure 75. 75 will be here, like this. So now take this one this way, rotate it like this, you get this one with the vertical line. Take this one down like that. Then also I need to draw a vertical line. My T-square, my set square is intersecting with the drawing board, so let me just transfer it. I can transfer any vertical line to that point. Like that. So then finally, before showing my outlines, we join this one. So that is that. So you can now thicken out the outlines. Let's confirm this length. Is it 75? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 75. Yeah, it's correct. So that's as simple as ABC. So that is how to draw the solid block in isometric projection. Make all the outline thick. Let's see this one. Yes, it is in between. So that is it. So that is the solution. It is touch the cylinder. That is the solution to the question. If you have enjoyed this video, please like the video. It's very, very important for you to like the video, share the video with your friends and family, then subscribe to the channel if you have not done that. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.